Hey, what's up guys? Matt here with Fix Anything Save Money. Today we're going to be walking you through this Dewalt angle grinder. This is model DCS438. I didn't even know that this type of tool existed until a few weeks ago. I was looking up different angle grinders and I came across this, and I needed something small and versatile and lightweight, and this thing fits the bill. It works absolutely amazing. So we're going to be just showing you the tool features of this, and we're also going to be showing you how to change out the cutting wheel. So the first thing we'll show you is how to install and take out the battery. So to put the battery in, you just want to line up these grooves with these slots, push it in until you hear a click. And then to remove it, you just want to push this big black button in, pull it straight out. So now working up the tool, we have our forward and reverse with these buttons right here. So if you want it in the forward position, push that in, and now you're in forward. If you want it in reverse, you push that button in, now you're in reverse. And if you want it locked, you just slide it to the middle setting, and that locks your trigger, prevents the wheel from turning on. So anytime you're transporting this, if you for whatever reason have the battery in it while you're transporting it, which I don't recommend for a tool like this, just because if it turns on, you could cut yourself, bad things could happen. I always recommend removing the battery before you're moving or before you're, driving with it in a car, whatever. But another safety precaution is to always make sure that this safety is engaged so the trigger can't even be depressed. So now we'll show you this shoe and the different features of this. So you can see if you loosen this nut, you can adjust the depth of the blade. So when we want to take this off to change the blade, we're just gonna open it up all the way and tighten it down. And then we're gonna push up on this button, and that's gonna disengage a pin right in here, and it's gonna allow us to remove this housing. So we'll push this up, and then this just pops up, and it allows you to actually remove this housing along with the dust collection. This is for dust collection. Okay, so now we have that off. We're going to show you how to actually remove the cutting wheel. So to do that, it comes with a hex key. Here's the location of it. And what we're going to want to do is press this button down to lock our wheel so we could actually remove this bolt. So to remove this bolt, we're going to spin it clockwise and remove. And you can let go of the button now that it's loose. Okay, so we have our bolt out, and then we're going to take our locking washer out, and then you could remove the blade. And let's say we want to put a tile blade in if we're going to be cutting some tile. Now I will tell you there's another washer right here, so we're going to just leave that in there. You only want to take this out if it gets damaged for some reason, or if you're going to be cleaning this out. So you can put that back in, put our new wheel on, put our locking washer on, and you can see this is oval shaped, and this little housing here is oval shaped. So you just want to make sure you have this seated properly. You can see right there it's seated properly. And then we'll put our bolt in by turning it counterclockwise. And then we'll do the same thing once this is hand tight. We'll push this button in right here. And then we'll tighten down the blade the rest of the way. And you can see now it's installed, spins. You're ready to cut your tile or whatever. And then if you want to put your shoe back on, you just want to put this blade into this slot right here first, like that, and then just slide it straight in, like that, and then just push down on this until that pin that I showed you engages. You have to press down pretty hard, and then it'll engage. You can see you can't lift it up. Then we can adjust whatever depth we want. And then this tool is great because you could also, you could remove this, and if this is in your way, you can just remove it, and then you have, more range of motion. This is what I typically use. I just, you know, if I'm cutting off rebar or scouring concrete or cutting into concrete or whatever, even for tile, then, you know, this is great because it's lightweight, it's very small, has these little 3-inch blades, and you can see the blades that you get when you buy this. You get the tile blade, which is on it, then you get this little general purpose multi-material blade. This is what I've been using. You can see it's all roughed up, but you know, it says right on it what you can use it for. Rebar, wood, metal. I mean, rebar is metal, but you know, you could use it for a whole range of things. And then this blade is pretty much strictly for different types of metal. You can see there's stainless and then metal. So it comes with 3 blades, which is awesome. And I'll leave a link in the description on where you can buy this tool and also replacement blades for this. So there'll be 2 links in the description, one for the actual cutoff wheels and then one for the actual angle grinder. And yeah, it's just a great tool. I find it really a lot more versatile than my other angle grinder just because of the size, and you know, you could get into tight spaces with it. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. That's everything on this angle grinder. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below and I'll respond to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, be sure to like this video, be sure to subscribe to the channel because it helps me grow, helps me create more content. So yeah guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.